and some of the thermals are so violent out here that they can snatch the controls from your hands.
Can we have permission to fly straight line here to here?
5 hours flying again today, over mountains, through rain, through cloud.
How would you assess the weather, Martin?
I would assess the weather as being absolutely perfect.
The weather at Penang was so bad that the controller at Bangkok relayed a message to us that it would probably be a good idea if we diverted, and actually we were beginning to think the same thing.
So far, the most dangerous thing about this whole trip has been the journey to and from the aircraft.
And we were just looking out to sea and looking to the horizon and thinking, would we fancy turning left here and flying for 3.5 hours before seeing the next piece of land? That really seems quite unlikely.